Hey everybody, Dr. Osborne here, founder of Gluten Free Society. Today I am really pumped. We are announcing our Warrior Bread Living Cookbook. If you haven't tried Warrior Bread, first of all, you've got to try it. But what my team and I have done is we have put together a cookbook for you with lots of great recipes. What you're seeing here on the screen is just some of the recipes that we've come up with and different ways that you can use Warrior Bread. We came up with a fantastic holiday stuffing, a flatbread, brownies, garlic rosemary dinner rolls, regular dinner rolls, chicken fried steak, Warrior Bread pizza crust. So those of you who are missing that pizza, we even came up with a cinnamon roll, a sandwich bread, cookies, and then chicken and dumplings. So if you've been missing those types of food in your life and really want to try Warrior Bread, take advantage now, this weekend only, for our Good Friday and Easter sale. If you use coupon code WARRIOR19, WARRIOR19, you can save $1 off and try Warrior Bread. And of course, come visit this living cookbook because you can take major advantage of the work we've already put in for you. So hopefully you enjoy, hopefully your families enjoy. This is Dr. Osborne, founder of Gluten Free Society, wishing you a wonderful Easter weekend.